Okay, during a physical education class, and student are lined up, number from one to and left to right. Okay, for each student, it is known that if they receive a ball, they will pass it to either the neighboring on the left or neighboring on the right. This is specified by the starting as and characters. Each character of the string, either L or R, where SI is L if the I student passes the balls to student I minus 1, R if I plus 1. Okay, the first student always passes ball to the second, and the last one to second last. Okay, consider the following process. First, the first student receive the ball, then exactly end time the following occurs. The student who currently has the ball passes it to the neighbor according to the rules. Okay, your task is to determine how many students will receive the balls at least once during this process. Okay, I just what's the value of n? N is only 50. Just simulating only once should be enough. Okay. What? Your first the first student received the ball. Okay, first student received the ball. Okay, it's a string. For auto V. I think I should do pointer. Okay, you are given an array of consists of an integer while the array is not empty. An operation is performed consisting of two steps. First, the maximum element in the array is chosen. If there are multiple maximum element, the rightmost maximum right means okay, rightmost maximum is chosen. Then all element after the chosen element included it are removed from the it. All element after the chosen element. Okay, your task is to calculate the number of operation that will be performed before the array becomes empty. Okay, so I'm choosing the rightmost max and removing all of them. Okay, that's the point. Your task is to calculate the number of version. Okay, got the point. So 2 1 2 3 1. If I sort it 1 1 2 2 3. Okay, I'll choose 3. That's gone. Then I'll go to 2. It will find 2. That's gone. It will try to find again 2. That's also gone. 3 step. Why it's taking too much time? Let's try another example. Let's try this one. 1 1 3 3. I have 1 3 3 1. I'll find 3 3. Then I'll find again 3 3. I'll find 1 1. Yeah. If I somehow, I'll do a -1, I guess. If I find any 1 before, let's say I was 2 and I found a 2 before it, so I'll do a -2 in this 2. So I need if j equal to -1, if j less than 0, break. Okay, nice. While temp j not equal to of I, mp temp j minus minus, removing the current value, and j also getting minus minus. Yeah, j is getting minus minus. That's that. I think I don't need break. Then count plus plus. Zero count. Oh, I have written it answer. Okay. If mp of I not equal to 0, while temp j not equal to array of I, temp j minus minus and j also minus minus. Cout array of I cout temp j. Okay, it went on an infinite loop, I guess. What's going on? I'm doing I minus minus. Uh, if j less than 0, break. Something weird is going on. Bro, what the heck? Okay, something is wrong in somewhere else. Else than n ampere of something something cn something mp. Yeah, it looks good. Then why it's not running? What the heck? There's something weird is going on. There was a mistake in the note. For the example, the array becomes okay, something weird is going on in my VS Code. Let's restart it. And to redo the whole code, I guess. And now it's working. Look, I'm getting 5 somehow. Okay. At first it found 3. Then it found 3. I should also print the index. Okay, I got the point why it's giving me problem. I should remove the value. I have to remove this value, then go in front and also remove that. Okay, got the point. J minus minus then j minus minus and removing that. Yeah, it should work. I think I should redo the whole stuff again. I have j. Okay, j minus 1. If ampere of I not equal greater than 0, then I'll just remove the current value what I'm on. Or should I remove the current value? I'll do j minus minus and yeah, j minus minus once. Then while I'm just going to the first value, let's say 3 1 2 1, going to up to here, then minus minus. I'm currently here. Then if I go in, I'll remove this, go to here. If j less than not equal to n, mp temp j minus minus and j minus minus, while air of I not equal to temp j mp temp j minus minus and j minus minus. Okay, then count plus plus. And j greater than 0. Three passed. So what I'm doing, I'm just if that's not n, I'm doing removing the current value, then going to the next one, then just doing that. Yeah. Okay, Alice, Bob, and Carlo visit a spring to collect water. And see what happens here. Wrong answer. change. Both elements are removed. Okay, let's redo. I think I have some value, something like 21231. Oh, but where will it give me wow? I think I should reverse it actually. I call to -1. I get a equal to 0 and minus. Yeah, j equal to error. Not j equal to n-1. I'll just come from here. I'll see does the matches. If they don't, I'll just gonna plus one. I'll gonna plus one. I'll gonna plus one, plus one. Okay. Then remove this up to this point. I'll remove all of them, and also I have to see if the value is empty or not. If while air of j mp air of j not equal to 0, j minus minus, if j greater than equal to 0, and that if j less than 0, break. Okay, those are my just safety. If air of I temp I not equal to air of j, then just mp temp j minus minus. If those are equal, else also same, I'm gonna do minus minus. Always minus minus, and if temp j equal to temp j equal to, oh, why I'm doing j, it should be I, j I, temp I equal to air of j, then count plus plus and j minus minus. Yeah, long j twice. Past again. Should I submit now? Let's see. I'm saying if my j is greater than 0 and the value exists somewhere, I'll just go in front. Doesn't exist, I'll just go backward. Okay, and I'm saying otherwise temp j is getting minus, and always temp j is getting minus, and if those are equal, current plus plus and j minus. Yeah, looks good. Always reading the code is good because I think my solution is okay, but my somewhere implementation went wrong. Yeah, that was the case. The implementation wasn't that good. That's why it got wow. Okay. Alice, Bob, and Carlo visited a spring to collect water. Alice visits every 8 days. On this, okay, Bob visit every B days. Okay, when only one person visit, they collect 3 liters of water. If multiple people visit, the water is divided equally. Two people takes 3 item each. Okay, and 3 people takes 2 item each. Your task is to calculate how many water Elizabeth and Carlo collect over days, starting for day one. Okay, A, B, C, and M. Okay, so 2 1 2 1 3. Yeah, passed. Okay, 2 1 3, 2 1 3, and got 10 days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 10. Okay, the value limit M can be 10 is 17, so that's a problem. So that's a little bit problem. That's that. So 2 1 4, 2 1 4, 2 1 4, 1 2 1 4, 2 gets here, 1 gets here, or 2 1 3, 1 2 3. Okay, then I got this. One gets every day, so that's and 3 gets that. Okay, so how many day one interrupts all of them? How to calculate that? I forget about that. The multiplication. So 3 into 1, 10 divided by 10 divided by 3, equal to 4. No, 3. 3 6 9 3. It interrupts 3 days. 1 gets interrupted by 2. How many days? I have to find that. 1 gets interrupted by 2 is number of 2 days. That is 5 days. Okay. Then 1 gets interrupted by 3 is 3 days. And 1 is itself. Okay, it's all of them are common days 1 to 3. 1 into 2 into 3. Okay, divided by 10, I guess. 10 by this one. I just forgot the formula actually. A union B, A B on C formula. Components breakdown. Okay, A plus B plus C minus AB, BC, CA. So ABC, ABC equal to A plus B plus C minus AB plus BC minus AB minus BC minus BC minus CA plus what is written ABC, not common part, I guess. ABC plus ABC, it's intersection actually, not common part. Not common part. I think going with this formula will be a little bit harmful, or not. Number of element, they are common in ABC. Number of element that are common, okay. Number of element in all of them. Okay, I think I can use this formula. Okay, number of element common, it's just 10 plus 5 plus 3. 3 is 3. 10 by 3. Yeah, 3. And a gives me 10 plus 5 plus 3 minus what just happened? Okay, I don't know ABC actually. Those are unknown. Or else number of element in A, number of element B, number of element in A union B union C. It means common part, I guess. Number of element are common, not common parts. Okay, I'm getting confused with this formula actually. So eventually that should be actually 10, 5, 3, but it's not true. Yeah, it's not true. Okay, I think I shouldn't go with this formula. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, let's go with my basic common sense. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There is 6 elements that distributing equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm trying to visualize actually. 1 is interrupted by 2 5 time, 3 3 time. Okay, and 2 and 3 are getting interrupted by each other is 6. 6 by 10 is 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is 1 time. 2 and 3 are getting interrupted by each other is 1 time. Okay, and 1 is 10 time. 2 and 3 getting interrupted by each other is 1 time. 1 and 2 are getting interrupted by each other is 5 time. 1 and 3 getting interrupted by is 3 time. Then 2 and 3 getting interrupted by each other is 1 time. Okay, and let's just rewrite. Should I rewrite? 1, okay. 1 getting interrupt, 5, 3, and 3 and 1 getting interrupt one time. Okay, one time. One is a confusing one, I'm not gonna lie. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 3 gives me 3, 6, 9. Okay, so 1 getting interrupt by 5 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1 is getting 3 by interrupt by 1, 2, 3 time, and 2, 3 are getting interrupt 1 time. Okay, then this 1 time is actually 6. Okay, I think I should do something like 1 getting interrupted by other two values means 6. 1 getting interrupted, yeah, 1 is getting interrupted by 2, then getting interrupted by 3, and getting interrupted by mix of them 6. Okay, so it's like 1's value is interrupt is 5 time, 3 time, and 1 time. Okay, so because of this one, I'll just say 4 time, 2 time, and once is both. Okay, so answer of 1 is at first 10 plus not 10, 6 into 10, 60 plus 4 time getting half of that, 4 minus 4 into half of that, 3 minus 2 into 3 plus both plus 1 into 2. So answer should be 60 minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2, 44. But answer is given 38 somehow. Okay, it's also interrupting. Minus 4 minus 2. 4 times 3, 6, 3, 2, yeah. 60 minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 equal to 40, not 38. So yeah, 38 should be 38 actually. The task is to calculate how many water as well over m days starting from day 1. Okay, let's see normally. Day 1, 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 38. Yeah, that's correct, 38. It should be 38. So I'm saying all of them are getting no interruptions, so that's why 60. Okay, 60 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 times. That's why 4 and 2, yeah, that should be total 6 times. Total 6 times. So 6 into 3 minus, that's 1 time, minus 2. 60 minus 6 into 3 minus 2, it's giving me 40 somehow every single time. Oh, okay, got the point why that's happening. This common part actually giving me 6, but I'm minusing 2. It should minus 6 minus 2, that's 4. Minus 2, 38. Yeah, matches. So my formula is common for 3 part A comma B comma C. Actually, I have just made that formula in just different way. I should create a function. X equal to is also I need m divided by A into B X should be just A. Y equal to m divided by AB comma Y z equal to m divided by ABBC A into C and K equal to m divided by A into B into C. Okay, so answer equal to x minus both value x y plus z into 3 minus k into 4. Return answer. Is it correct? Let's see. See out val a comma b comma c space val b comma a c space val c comma ab. I haven't passed m. Let's see. Okay, it gave me weird output. 18 minus 18 somehow. See out x. Oh, I got the point why that's happening. Common is y plus z minus 2 into k. 2 into k. 3 into common, I guess. Let's see. Receive nothing. Let's see. X, Y, Z, space, A, and C out. Common. Okay, 5, 5. X is 5 somehow. M by A, M by 1. Why it's giving, okay, makes sense. Let's do B at first. BAC. 10 5 3, 10 5 3, 10 5 3 1. Yeah, those are correct. 6 also correct. Then I'm doing into 6. I haven't done into 6. 6 into x. Okay, 6 into x. 60 minus 3 into 6. 3 into 6 minus 4 into 1. Yeah, it should work. 3 1 3. What? $38. This is gonna be 38 now. Why it gave me something else before? A, B. 14 38 8, 15 15 0. It does not matching. It is okay. Then them. So test case 3 is not matching. This one in 100 days. Somehow okay. 881 should give me 881. So for 6, okay, I'm printing this way. It gave me 939 this one, then the next row, then that next row. Yeah, so 6 20 11 0 days. Days is 0, sorry, days 1000. 6 20 15. So for 6000 divided by 6, that's 166. Yeah, then for AB means 20 into 6, that's 120,000 divided by 120, that's 8. Then AB BC AC, then in C. AB AC AB BC AC ABC. I should consider something like that actually. Should I? Nah. 8:11. How much time I have? Still 1 hour. So A is 166, AB is 8, AC is 11, ABC is 0. Okay. So they are not interrupting by anyone. No, interrupted by, yeah, 166 is 6 into 166 minus 8 and 11. 8 plus 11 into 3. 939. Yeah, that should be the answer. 100 times. 1,000 times. Six. The answer is 881. Avesta 58 by 4. Okay, it doesn't match. It's not matching. They're collapsing 8 times. Consider one. Yeah, makes sense. 8 times, then 11 times, 15 into 6. There is no common part. 20 into 15 into 6. Too large. The first example, yeah, this is a problem one. 881. 881. 881 plus 236 plus 281 भाग 6 233 total 233 13 166 plus 8 plus 11 very sure. That's a huge gap actually, not just a little one. Answer has huge discrepancy. Oh, 6,000 submission. Bro, what the heck? 6/2015. 81881. 881236. also. Nah. 6. What are the combination? If I want A, only A, only in A union B union C is defined as a union of set ABC which is considered element. As we know the okay, and the reference use symbol ABC is a denotes A union B union C which is read as only A, only B, only C element that are common in AB which is C something something. Yeah, I got that. U means number of element in ABC. Uh, A, B, C. I got A. Total element in all. It's not properly. It will not work. I can find AB, BC, AC, AB, BC, AC, and also ABC common part. Okay. Then I need A union B union C. All whole sum, I guess. Shape region A union B union C. I think it's, yeah. I don't think it's that way. 6, 20, 15,000. Why it's not working? That's my main question. Should I do something? NM can be 1 is 6 at max. ABC can be 1 is 6. 1 is 6. Up to 1 is 6. Let's say I'm saying my value can be up to 10. Okay, my values are included here. So 5, 10. Let's say another is 3, 6, 9. Let's say another is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, let's just repeat after that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's rethink. Let's say my value 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2. Okay. Then my value is 3. 13 doesn't match. Yeah, 13 does not match. This value. Yeah, it will not match. That will not match. 8. Also in the last case. The larger values are not matching somehow. For some reason, larger values are not matching. Let's do it. Tetris 17. Okay, 133 into 6 plus 17. 17 into 3 plus 16 into 2. Yeah, it matches with the answer. So obviously I'm wrong somewhere. So I found 166 and minusing 811. 166 minus 8 minus 11, I got 147. but it should be 166. It also has some 3, all 3 combination. $60 20 15 60. Oh, 6. Okay, so I should took the GCD kind of stuff, I guess. Couch GCD. A comma B comma C. This it is 1. Nara. Six is 3 and 2. 20 is 5 5 2 2. Then 15 is 3 and 5. So their common should be 3. I think it should be LCM actually. A into B into C divided by that stuff. Okay, divided by 1 is okay. So I should get 3 2 5 3 2 2 5, I guess. 3 2 2 5 3 4 5. If I get that, greatest common divisor. What is this called? I'll have 3 to 3 into 4 into 3 into 4 into 5. That's 60. It starts from 60. A, B, C. Also, all of them will be same. Common of all values prime factors. What is called human, not like that. Okay, I'm overcomplicating stuff. Let's think. So if I divide it into prime factors, I want the smallest value which can be divided by that value, both value. I want the smallest value which can be divided by both value. I want that. So okay, I just ruined that. into b, a into b, common of a into b, common of a into b for uh, should I do a for loop? 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Too much. I need a value which hears both. Let's say uh, I have uh, 6, 20, 15. 6, 20, 15. First value which is hidden by all three of them. Should I do sieve? Or it will gonna take too much time. ABC up to 10, 1 is 6. If I have all combinations, what will gonna happen? Will it take too much time? I just need 2 and 3. So yeah. Nah, shouldn't be that. Shouldn't be that. Shouldn't be that. Or I just find all divisors. All prime divisors. That should be 3 to 5 to then 3 3 5. Okay, I'll find them. 3 to 5 to 3 5 and try to create a smallest value. Five, 4. Yeah. 3, 2. Yeah, I think I should do that. Count plus plus, then count plus plus, then x divide equal to I. If x greater than 1, if count vx dot pushback x comma I comma count x comma 1. Why it's showing your should I create the function? Oh, nice. X equal to b. Should I name it x? Let's y equal to b. Vx comma vy comma vz. Three values. Okay. Okay, I got all of them. So I don't have any more that. Actually, don't need to make them global actually. Fix variable, yeah. So long a equal to is of course a long b equal to is a into b, combination of a into b. It's just replaced by b replaced by C and replaced by Z. ABC long Z. Okay, and common gets that and that. Yeah, B equal to A into B equal to A into B. So I got for auto V comma C Vx MP V equal to max of MP V comma C. Then again for auto AB. Okay, it should be same. B is ABBC. ABBC for auto VC MP. Okay, and this will gonna be something. Should I use modular exponentiation? Why not? Okay, not this one. Number theory, binomial exponentiation. It does not need any mod. What isn't needed? Mod isn't needed, so the value shouldn't be that large. Yeah, I should. I can. I think I should. I can do a brute force. Okay, I got BB. I got A. I got B. Then I need again MP dot clear. Too much work. I'm just doing too much work. I know there is better option, but who knows? It should be Z. Should be CC. CC. I got AB, AC. So I got A, then AB, AC. Then I need ABC, all of them. DD equal to 1. DD equal to CC. Not CC. Again 1. Then for auto X, Y, and this stuff. Couch A space DB space CC space DD. It's showing error. Six 60 30 60. Yeah. So 6 can go up to 6 value 6. Okay, so yeah, so 1000 divided by 6 is 166 166. Then 1000 divided by 60 is 16. Then 1000 divided by 30 is 33. 1000 divided by again 60 is 60. So answer should be 166 into 6 plus minus 16 into 3 minus 33 into 3 minus 16 into 4. Okay, it's wrong. 166 into 6, 996 minus 16 plus 33 into 3 minus 16 into 4, 745, and that's wrong. One one eight eight 1188. 2 to 6 2 to 6. For 2 I get 5 into 6, that's 30, minus common of AB is 2 into 3, that's 6, minus then 6 into 6 into 3 that's 18. It should be plus 6 into 2, I guess 12, or minus 6 into 4, 24. So 30 minus 6 minus 80 plus 12, 18, 14. So that's that. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Yeah. Fourteen. Answer is 14. A equal to B, A equal to B. Let's copy the whole stuff. Clear. I should just empty dot clear. A comma B, Vx comma Vy. Swap A comma C, swap Vx comma Vz. It's a miracle if it passes. If it passes, it will gonna be a miracle for me. It's just a really weird. Yeah, it will gonna pass. I think if it doesn't get okay passed, bro. Wow. Okay, got little bit lucky. I'm damn sure there is some better solution for C. You are given an undirected graph with n vertices m edges. The vertex are numbered from 1 to n. The graph contain no self loop or multiple edges. Okay, your task is to make a graph directed by choosing. You are given undirected from. Okay, your task is to make a graph directed by choosing a direction for every edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex v1, v2, vk, where k can be arbitrarily large and any vertex can be repeated any number of times. An alternative path if the edge v1, v2 is directed from v1 to v2, if v3, okay, and so on. Call a vertex you beautiful if all paths in the original graph that start at vertex you are alternating in the resulting directed graph. What is the maximum number of vertex that can be made beautiful after directing the edge? Your task is to make the graph directed by choosing a direction for each edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex uh, where k can be arbitrarily large and the vertex can be repeated any number of times. An alternative path if the edge v1 v2 is directed from v1 to v2, v2 to v3, as shown. Okay. I didn't get it, but let's see. nm what disconnected graph? Its answer is 2. Let me think. You are given an undirected graph. Okay, vertex are one turn the graph. No self loop, no multi edge. Okay, your task is to make a graph directed by choosing a direction of the edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex v1, v2, vk, where k can be arbitrarily large and the vertex can be repeated any number of times. an alternating path if the edge v1 comma v2 is directed from v1 to v2, v2 to v3 is directed to v3 to what it said v1 to v2 is directed, then it's saying edge v2 to v3, the direction v3 to v1, then a direction v3 to v4, then direction v5 to v4. Okay, got the point. So if I want, I can direct, it can be at max two sides, it's saying. I can direct 6 to 7, then direct 7, direct 8 to 7, then direct 5, 8, direct 8 to 5, direct 6, and it repeats. Call a vertex between the path not necessarily simple in the original graph that start at vertex u and alternate in the resulting directed graph. What is the maximum number of vertex that can be made beautiful after directing all edges? Each test contain multiple tests. The why it's 2. For is the maximum number of vertex that can be made beautiful after directing the edges. Hmm. What? Your task is to make the graph directed by choosing a direction of each edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex where k can be arbitrarily large and any vertex can be repeated any number of times. An alternate path if uh, call a vertex you beautiful if all path not necessarily simple in the original graph the start vertex we are alternate in the resulting directed graph. I'm not getting it. Why this case is 4? Let's read again. You are given an undirected graph with n vertex images. The vertex are numbered from 1 to n. The graph contain no self loop, no multi-edge. Your task is to make a graph directed by choosing a direction for each edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex v1, v2, vk. Is there any? Let's see the dashboard for D. Problem D. In English version of the problem D statement, the word any was used in the context for which it could mean both same and every. This has been fixed. Any path in the direction of the beauty vertex means every path. Alternatively, there was a mistake. Let's see my standing. 8,000. That's really bad. Wow. You are given a untitled graph with n vertex and images. The vertex are numbered from 1 to n. The graph contains no several multiples. Your task is to make the graph directed by choosing a direction of each edge. After directing the edge, call a sequence of vertex u1, u2, uk, where k can be arbitrarily large and any vertex can be repeated any number of times. An alternating path if v1 and v2 is directed from v1 v2 v2 and v3 is directed, okay, as so on. Call a vertex very beautiful if all paths in the original graph that started you are alternate in the resulting direction. What is the maximum number of, oh, okay, got it. What it asked, now I got it. It asked the number of, it didn't ask for the k. Okay, it's 1. If I do that and it connects there, do that, then I have to do this, 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 it's going to you and it's coming to that, then it's going to 6, it's coming to 6, it asked for all. It doesn't give me the answer actually. 2, 4, 3, 1. It does satisfy. It does satisfy. How many this kind of vertex are there? 1, 2, v1 gives, so this 2. Got it. So if any vertex has more than it's set, quotient set, self loop and multiple edges. It doesn't have a multiple edges, multi edges. Okay, I think it meant something else. Okay, if anything has more than 2, not possible. Okay, not possible. More than 2, not possible. Also, it has to be one giving, next receiving, one giving, the next receiving. It has to be something like that. One giving, next receiving. It has to be something like that. So I always have to start from giving. If think this one, giving, receiving. I found 2 of them. Total number is 6. So I found 2, 4 are used. So 2 plus 2, 4. Yeah, I think I can solve it with DFS. Actually, I don't need. Okay, when it will not work if I found any visited, else it means that's visited. So I'm doing like 1 0 1 0 and goes there. It should be 1 but it found 0. Okay, so I need to pull flag I equal to, okay, visited if, else if v flag v not equal to 1 XOR, okay, then just f equal to 1. If not f, answer plus equal to count. Oh, I didn't clear the map. Um, is there any other problem? I'll take the visited GFI dot clear. Okay, dot clearing dot input not visited count 24 minutes. If not visited, then it will gonna visit. Okay, so everything looks fine actually, but it's not running. GF, yeah, everything is correct. and this part. It's not still running. And M, the number of M, C in M, okay, M. 2000. Okay. If not visited, if okay equal, yeah, I'm pushing one actually. If okay equal to one, count plus plus, it should give me plus. Why it's doing that? 40. Ouch, I. 1 2 3 4. Answer is giving me 4 now. Bro, now it's giving me 4. Oh, I didn't reset. F equal to 0. Nice. Wrong on pre-3. Really? That's weird. If okay, count plus plus. Not F, answer equal to that. Okay. 2e5, let's see the limitation. 2e5 uv yeah. I'm thinking like let's say I have a component like that. It gets output, it gets input, it's output, that gets input. So 1 2 3 of them. If I do the opposite, let's say this, so I get 1 1 2, I get 2, but I need the max, so it should be, yeah, got it. So I need the value which has started, the value which has less amount of, yeah. Right. Ah, be equal to vp either second. So it will gonna be v, yeah. Why it's printing 00 at the end? Oh, 1 2 3, yeah. Let's try again. Alternating paths. Still wrong at disk 3. That's sad. Okay. Count 1, count 2, else count 2 plus plus, answer plus 2, max of count or count 2. Again, count 2 equal to 0. Okay, that trick worked. Nice. The trick actually worked. I was really sad because minus 8090 is too much. Even just solving up to 3 problem, and I'm getting minus 90. That's really unfair, I'll gonna say, because at this moment I'm just a pupil. So yeah, that's why I don't like education around. For sure, problems are easier, but the main problem is so many people are solving them. Main problem isn't so many people solving the main problem is too many people are cheating. That's the main problem. I'm sure it will still show me minus. Why carrot? So let's see the next problem. Problem EI and again. Okay, for a positive 40 minutes, I don't think I can solve it in 40 minutes. Okay, it gave some errors. So let's try this one. For a positive strictly greater than 0 integer x, the string as x is formed through the following process. Initially this string is empty, then the decimal representation of the number x without reading 0 is appended to it on the right. After that, if x less than 9, the process ends. Otherwise x is replaced by the sum of the digit of x and the process returns to step 2. Initially the string is empty, then the decimal representation of the number x without leading 0 is appended to the right. Something is 7 1 7 5 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 18, actually, not ha. For example, as 75 is 7 5 1. I don't get it. The decimal representation of x is appended to the right, to it on right. Okay, minus 11. Still I'm getting minus. Apparently a people can solve. Apparently a new we can solve up to d. It's saying that, actually. It's literally saying that if I'm getting minus. It's just unfair. Wow. Initially the string is empty. Then the decimal representation of number x without leading 0 is appended to the right. After that, if x less than 9, the process ends. Otherwise, x is replaced by the sum of the digit of x. The decimal without the leading 0 is appended to the right. So 75, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 75 is added 12. Okay, then for 12, 1 plus 2, that's 3. And I'm done. For 30 I have 30 and 3. For 9 I have 9. Okay, got the point. You are given a string as consists of digit. Your task is to rearrange the character in the string so that it forms the string as x for the number x, removing character and or adding new character in one not allowed. If the given string s is already the string s, for you may leave it unchanged. You are given a string. Okay, no explanation. String as content of digit. Your task is to rearrange the character in the string so that it forms a string f of s of x. For example, okay, 1 2 1 2 7 3, 1 2 7 3 5. Your task is to rearrange the character in the string so that it forms the string s of x for the number x. Remove if the given string s is already the sum the string for the number x, you may leave it unchanged. 1 to 7, 1 to 12. Okay, the s can be 1 5, so too large. Okay, 12. 12 becomes 3. Next value should be 3, so that's not correct. If I think the total value 1 to 7, 1 plus 2 plus 7, that should be 10. Also not correct. 3 5, that's not correct. Okay, then up to that, 1 to 7 not correct. Okay, the question is I have to rearrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 position. I have to make them something like up to this value, sum equal to that or that, then that next value equal to that. Okay, it asks for the 7 5 next value is 12, next value is 3. It just does like that. So in this position I have 9 possibilities. Yeah, 9 possibilities. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it will take any of them. 1 is possible, yes. 2 is possible, yes. 3 is possible, yes. 4 not possible, 5 yes. 6 not possible, 7 yes. 8 not possible, 9 not possible. Okay, so I have those values. So I have next huge number of possibility. So next 1 can be given only 1 0. If I think 2-digit number, and 1 0 is not allowed, so 1 has no possibility. For 2, 2 can be 1 1. 1 1 or 2 0. 2 0 is not possible, so 1 1. And for 3 it can be 1 2, 2 1. 3 0 is not allowed, so 1 2 or 2 1. So do I have extra 2 1? Yeah, I have. There should be some DP kind of stuff, but 5 minutes, I don't think it's possible.